This is Jonah Mart, and we are going to teach you a life hack how to open a bag of chips using the Tibor Show way. Bring it on! First, you gotta pinch the bag of chips like that, and then a little twist, ano sa Ilonggo twist? Ano na siya? Tiyog! Turn! Tiyog ko no, tiyog. So that's Ilonggo. Yay! That's your 1 minute life hack. Thanks, Tibor! Shy time.